Hello, my name is Sam Hall and I'm the Managing Director and co-founder of yw'r, a not-for-profit social consultancy based in Aberystwyth. We support people working in the health and social care system to enable exceptional care for the people of Wales now and for future generations. We do this by providing implementation support, evaluation and engagement services to VCSEs, the public sector and private sector organisations. We work across Wales on national programmes, but also locally supporting community groups. Social firms are the foundation of our community systems and key to removing the barriers that our citizens face in navigating the support and care that they need. We are here for those organisations. On behalf of me and the team at yw'r, I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a hopeful and inspiring New Year. Diolch.